The life of a star starts in a cloud of gas. We call them nebulae. You may have seen them before, big clouds of gas filled with loads and loads of hydrogen gas, number one on the periodic table. And that gas, sometimes within that cloud, gets a little bit too close together and gravity starts to bring it together even more till it develops a little clot within the cloud. Then eventually, this little clot starts pulling in more and more and more gas from the surrounding cloud until eventually there's so much there that it's all trying to cram into this one little space. And it can't without fusing together. And that's what happens at the beginning of a star's life. Fusion starts, fusing atoms together. Then when that happens, there's a huge outward blast of energy and the star puffs up like a balloon. But gravity continues to pull that gas cloud in towards each other while that outward force is trying to rip it apart, and you end up nice and balanced. And then we can call it a star, just like our sun. In really, really, really big stars, when they start to die, they lose the ability to fuse hydrogen right in the core. So that hydrogen to helium fusion that takes place in the core stops. And when it does, it's no longer got that outward force, the outward force that puffs it up like a balloon. In which case, gravity wins and the whole star comes crushing in on itself. Imagine that. Something hundreds of millions of miles wide, crushing in on itself. And then the fusion starts all over again. But in this case, it becomes explosive, rips itself apart, and that is a supernova explosion. There's many types of supernova explosion. This is just one of them. But somebody asked the question. So there we go. If you have any questions about astronomy, just drop them down in the comments and I'll answer them. Just like this. Okay, bye.